In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Keurig Duo coffee maker. So the first thing that you'd like to do is basically turning off the coffee maker. Press the power button to turn off your Keurig Duo. If it's still brewing, wait until the brew cycle finish before turning it off. So after you turn it off, you'd like to unplug the machine, unplug the power cord from the wall outlet, and remove the water reservoir if possible. Wait for at least 1 minute before plugging it back in, because this will clear the brew temporary memory. Then you'd like also to plug it back in. Reinstall the water reservoir, plug the brew back into the outlet, and press the power button and turn it on. The machine should start normally. Of course, the waiting time while it's unplugged should be at least 10 minutes. Just keep that in mind. So once you plug it back in, you would like to run a water only brew. Before making any coffee, do not insert a K-cup. Just brew an example 1 cup of plain water. This confirms that the brewer is working properly after the reset. Keurig also recommend running cleansing brew during troubleshooting and maintenance. Of course, if your problem continue, if your Keurig Duo still isn't working, you would like to descale the brew. So how can you descale the brew? Basically, you'd like to pour the Keurig descaling solution into water reservoir, fill the empty bottle with water and pour into the reservoir. Perform a cleansing brew. Repeat this step 3 until add water is illuminated. Then let the brew rest for 30 minutes. And of course, then the rinser reservoir, you'll have to fill it with the fresh water and perform 12 rinsing brew. So many brewing issues are caused by mineral buildup rather than needing a reset. So the descaling is very, very important. And yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.